Okay, yeah, what I'm trying to do is this. Now, this is the code here. Look at this. This is the code here. If you want to save the code, make sure you save it as speak.vps. Speak.vps. Then the moment you save it with this or anything dot, make sure it's vbs. It's going to bring something like this. Now, to run it, this is all you do. Just double click on it. Good, very good. It's going to give you a text box. So, what are you going to write? Let's do this. This is A3 Tech. A3 Tech. This this is A3 Tech. This is A3 Tech.
This is a 3T3Q.
Yeah, that's how it can pronounce it. So let's give it another tax. Okay, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Oh,
Thanks you.
I think I didn't spell that very well. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Please like this videos and subscribe to my channel.
You can see how smooth it spoke that correctly. So don't forget, copy the code as I pasted it. Kindly leave a thumbs up for this channel. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.